Hi, this is Jeremy Moskowitz, and in this series of videos, we're showing how to manage Internet Explorer using PolicyPak Application Manager. In this little video, we're going to learn the various facets of the Security tab. The two things that we're going to cover are, for instance, how to set up a custom level in your local intranet or your other zones, how to set custom items here. You can see that this is the first two items are set to enable. Maybe we can change those. And the more daunting task of how to set up trusted sites. So we're going to go over those two things right now using PolicyPak Application Manager. So here is a group policy object, and we're going to specify Internet Explorer 8 and later for Windows 7 and later, so basically all versions of Internet Explorer. And we'll head over to the Security tab. So let's do it in the same order we just described. We'll go to Local Intranet, and we'll set the level here, and we can set it as a custom, and maybe we want to pick the first two guys to be prompt, something like that. The second thing we want to do is maybe site to zone assignment. And there's two ways to use this. One way is to perform what's called replace mode, which is if there are any site to zone assignments, we're going to take what's in here in PolicyPak and deliver it to the client machine. So this will delete what they've got and replace it with what we've got here. And you can see we've got some examples, and I'll be using these. You can see that there's all the zones are covered: intranet, trusted, internet, and untrusted. So all four are represented here in this example. You can also have, for instance, if Twitter.com were in any of the zones, you can have the special word of remove, and it will hunt it down and remove it from whatever zone it's in. So I'm going to start off with replace mode. So I'll go ahead and click OK here and dive down, and on each version of Windows, I'm going to run GP update, and this will work for all versions of Internet Explorer that you have. So if you have 8, 9, 10, or 11, and so on, this will work for all versions. So I'm just running GP update on each of my machines here. This is running Windows 7 with Internet Explorer 8. And if I go ahead and take a look at the result here, if I go to Tools, Options, and go to Security, remember, the first thing we did, we clicked on Local Intranet, and you can see it's set to custom. And if we look at the custom level, boom, you can see it's been delivered. Those two guys are now prompt instead of enable where they were. And if we were to go to each of the zones and look at the sites, you'll see that we delivered in the sites that we wanted. So I'll go ahead and click close here. You can see that if I look at restricted sites, which is untrusted, we've delivered Facebook into untrusted, and Local Intranet has got website.fabricam.com and so on. Now, you can also flip this into what's called merge mode. Okay, so if you look at this, you can go to back here and select merge mode. Merge mode says no matter what the user already has, and we've now established something, so no matter what the user already has, go ahead and put in policypak.com/intranet. Okay, so we're now saying no matter what the user already has, just leave it in place, and now just merge what we're about to deliver. So it will not delete first, it will simply merge this set, whatever this set is, and put it where we want to. In this case, it's just intranet. So let's go ahead and take a look and see if that does what it's supposed to do. So we'll run GP update here. Okay. And because we had already put some stuff in there, it should stay behind. And now we're simply saying to merge what we've done in local intranet. And here we go. So you can see that it added PolicyPak but left behind what, say, the user has already established. So that is how that works. So if you have any other questions, then please post them to the forums or ask support at policypak.com. And please continue on and watch more of those videos. Thanks. Bye-bye.